Good afternoon. Today I like to present a new project, Integrity and Stability of Tuscan Wine Vintegro. It's a project to set up an operating group of the European Innovation Partnership. It's a short preparatory project supported by Tuscan region to develop a full research project in the field of productivity and sustainability of agriculture. It's a new interactive approach to rural development projects. Let's begin with looking at instability of wine, that is a complex phenomenon. So I have only 10 minutes. Briefly, wine instability can lead to many different types of defects. Many causes, both microbiological and chemical, are involved. The instability may cause decrease in the quality of wine, and that can lead consumers to reject the product. When defects arise, mainly after bottling, producers can suffer negative effects in terms of image and serious economic damage. Climatic change, evolution of enological technique, availability of many and new enological product, and changes in the market are several of the factors that have introduced important novelties which are correlated with instability problems. At the same time, analytical techniques have evolved rapidly and new knowledge has been acquired. Therefore, the aim of the preparatory work is to collect and disseminate knowledge about needs, information, and aggregate skills on the topic of wine instability in order to improve prediction capability regarding the onset of defects. At this point, several questions arise. First of all, in Tuscany, what are the most pressing problems of wine instability? Secondly, what is the emerging knowledge on instability? Then, are there any efficient tests to predict the most frequent defects and serious problems of wine instability? Finally, is it possible to develop new, reliable predictive tests that contribute to limiting damage for producers? To answer these questions, 4 partners are working together. These partners have different roles in the project. Isvea, a leader in the winemaking sector, the firm brings specific analytical expertise and experience with technological transfer project. Antinori, this prestigious winemaker, is an authoritative figure in Tuscan production and brings experience and knowledge in viticulture, enology, and marketing. University of Florence will contribute with specific knowledge and expertise regarding Tuscan wine as a result of decades of research in this field. Vinidea offers skills and experience with planning and communication needed to conduct the project. Now let's take a look at the activities that are planned to cover a period of 6 months and are organized in 4 work packages. Work package 1 aims to collect scientific and technical information on the topic of wine instability First of all, a focus group was created to identify the most frequent instability problems encountered in Tuscan by producers and enologists. The most recent knowledge on wine instability will then be presented by researchers and technicians during a workshop. Work Package 2 is dedicated to clarify needs of different types of local producers and to analyze the effects of instability on the market. Information about predictive tests currently available will be collected with the aim to find potential innovative solutions. The activities of Work Package 3 will be focused on drafting an experimental plan and planning the connection with the EIP Agri network. The activities of the last work package concern the identification of partners and regulation of the operating group. Moving to the last part of my presentation, I'd like to show you the very preliminary results of a focus group. We asked the 21 technicians what the most frequent issues were, and then which were the most serious ones that require invasive treatments. The graph shows frequency of and warning scores of 7 problems indicated as the most pressing. KHT precipitate, aroma oxidation, trouble with color, are the most frequent, while the most serious are quercetin precipitate, microbiological defects, and KHC precipitate. This result will be used to draft a questionnaire to be sent to a larger number of enologists and producers. The survey will be conducted with specific telematic instruments. Once the priority scale of needs is identified, efforts will concentrate on the most pressing problems of wine instability for Tuscan producers. As revealed from the instability problems noted during the focus group, the project will have value outside the region. Furthermore, the innovative predictive tests developed during the experimental project are expected to find the application within the industry. Thank you for your attention.